Alright guys, so I'm back.
And we got a special visitor. Explain it to her.
Yes, Sparky guys. This is Sparky I was talking about.
Yeah, I recently posted a video on him, showing how. Well,
Yeah,
how
he has his channel.
Yeah, Crazy Sparky.
This is Sparky guys. And I got back. We got back like 2 hours ago, guys. I think it was 2 hours ago. Yeah.
Wait, it was mainly like. So
Yeah, he's like.
it took like 5 hours to get back here.
His name is Sparky, guys.
Yeah,
His name is
Sparky.
Sparky. We have a dog collar for him, Sparky.
Yeah, we have a dog.
And what happened to Mocha? We actually we had to give it back to the owner so we can have it. Remember? So?
Yeah, she was sick.
And she did get sick.
She got sick.
We had to give it back to the owner because like the owner was getting mad. Not the owner's like dad.
Yeah.
I think they're neighbors. Yeah, her neighbors right now.
Yeah, our neighbor. I don't want to introduce them to him because then they would just keep grabbing him over and over and over again. Last time they made a puppy depressed.
Oh yeah, they were doing it to puppy last
Yeah,
time.
they made him depressed, and then now.
Yeah,
depressed. Living a depressed life.
But like, anyway, this is Sparky right here, and
Stop.
and there's like a gopher trap over there. Like,
Yeah, we're trying to keep him away from that.
Also, by the way, where we're at right now, we're in the front yard. Also,
Episode 4 is actually kind of almost finished.
I'm almost finished with that.
And when it comes out, or you know what I gotta do.
It's probably gonna take 3 months. You know what? It might take 3 months, guys. I don't know how you're delaying it. Because it might take 3 months.
He was supposed to be like 8 weeks when we got him, but I guess we got him.
He's 6 weeks old. We got him early, I guess. Also, I guessed it, like I saying.
I always wanted to bring him here.
Also, I said, let me guess, Sparky's home, and I guess what I actually guessed that he was here.
I think he likes his new home.
Yeah. So I just end the video here.
Well, subscribe, like, and share, and comment.
Favorite, and then hit the bell. Yeah, hit the bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later.
Big bye, like I always say.
Bye, guys.